It's spreading! We have to stop it! But how?
It was a normal day at school.
It's glowing, Mia! I want to touch it, Sam!
The playground swing started floating above the ground.
That is so cool!
Sam and Mia looked up in surprise as a giant colorful crack appeared high in the sky. The crystal they had brought from the Lost Worlds began to glow brightly.
Look at the colors! It's beautiful! I can feel the power! This is amazing!
A message appeared from the crystal.
World balance decreasing.
The crystal showed many connected worlds and explained that every world depends on balance.
Look at the ice world! And the floating city! It's showing us everything!
Suddenly, a beautiful rainbow portal opened. Sam and Mia stepped inside and began another amazing adventure. They arrived in a breathtaking world filled with floating crystal islands. Colorful rivers of light flowed through the sky, magical place. But something was wrong. Parts of the world were slowly losing their bright colors.
It's spreading! We have to stop it! But how?
The Light Guardians explained that the balance crystals were losing power across the world. Without the crystals, the Shadow Core could not keep the worlds connected and stable.
Look at it go! It's so big!
A magical map appeared, showing 3 missing balance crystals that needed help. The dark cloud surrounded the crystal and drained its energy. Sam and Mia traveled toward the first crystal deep inside a glowing forest. The Guardian showed them a trail of glowing butterflies that could restore the crystal. The dark clouds disappeared and the forest came back to life. With the first crystal restored, the team continued toward a sky river. But something was wrong. The magical sky river had completely stopped moving. Together, Sam and Mia restarted the crystal wheels that powered the river. The water began flowing again, and the second balance crystal shone brightly. Now 1 crystal remained. It was hidden inside a mysterious floating cave. They carefully entered the floating crystal cave, following the glowing symbols. Inside, they discovered a giant crystal maze that kept changing shape.
Look! It's working! Oh, wow! We did it!
As the crystal awakened, a hidden chamber opened before them. The Guardian explained that the Shadow Core was not evil. It simply needed balance.
The Shadow Core manages the conduits of creation. See how the energy flows to each world? It's so beautiful.
Sam and Mia began a journey to the great energy star high above the clouds.
It's fading. We have to do something.
Everyone worked together. The star burst with colorful energy. Colors returned to every island. Flowers bloomed again. And the Shadow Core was healed. They celebrated happily as fireworks filled the sky above Shadow Core World. But far away among the stars, what new adventure awaits Sam and Mia next? To be continued.